Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify a tax return. Basically how you can verify your identity and tax return both. This is really easy thing to do, so just follow me very carefully. First of all, you have to just go to Google and you have to type identity and tax return verification service. Once you type it, just hit the enter button. You will get this option of IRS, which is basically the government website here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will get here, for example, sign in to verify your identity and tax return, right? You will directly get a click on button. You have to click on it. It will ask you to sign in or create a new account. So if you have already an account, then it's great. You can just log in, right? Sign in with id.me, and basically if you don't have id.me account, you can create it right now. So once you're here, you have to first of all gather your personal information such as your SSN number, social security number, or ITIN number, individual taxpayer identification number, and of course your previous year tax return, current year tax return if filed, supportingly documents such as W2S, 1099S, and other income documents. If verifying online, ensure you have access to your email address and phone number. So once you have gathered each and everything, you are ready to file your tax return. Right now here you have to go to this website, which is IRS, as you can see here. And same thing, once you're here, by the way, if you don't know how to fill up this form, you can use the phone number provided in your IRS letter. Be ready to provide the information which I have told you to gather, and a person will help you through the IRS to file your form, or basically to verify your tax return. So this is a very really easy thing to do. So provide the necessary information to the IRS representative to verify your identity. Once everything is done, so make sure to like this video and subscribe.